In our previous video, we guided you on how to activate the Hey Google on your smartphone, and in this tutorial, we are guiding you on how to deactivate it. Go to your phone settings application. You need to scroll down to where you will see Google. Click the All Services tab. Scroll down to where you will see Search and Assistant Voice. Click on it. Go to the Google Assistant option and make sure that you are connected to the internet. It will bring you to this new page. You need to go to the voice match, and then you can now deactivate it from here. I'll toggle off this Hey Google and then OK, and while driving I'll deactivate it, and that should be it. In case you want to activate it again, you can watch our previous video. The link is in the description below, or you can watch this video so that you can follow the steps. Be productive. See you on the next one.